In this video, I'm going to attempt to illustrate a tape diagram. We're going to see these a lot all semester, but here we go. This one says, Mrs. Taylor has 26 students in her class. 21 students returned their library book. How many students still need to return their book? Okay, so a pretty simple math problem. This is probably maybe the end of first grade, beginning of second. Okay, so what a tape diagram is it's basically a long rectangle which you can partition as many times as you need. So do you need to draw 10 of these little boxes inside here? Do you need to have them equal? Do you need to have one longer than the other? So what we're going to do is we're going to let this represent all 26 students in our class. Okay. Now, typically how we illustrate length is by using this little brace symbol, and then we write 26 so that we know that this whole thing equals 26. So this is representing 26 students. Okay. Says 21 students returned their library book. So if we let this rectangle represent the number of students who return their book, we've got 21 that return their book. So what we want to know is how many are right here. Okay. So we're saying that this represents returned. This represents still need to return. Okay. All right. Students hopefully will be able to see, your students will be able to see that, oh, if this whole thing equals 26 and this is 21, then this has to be 26 take away 21, which gets me to 5. So my answer is, now I can write the 5 right there, or you could just write it to the side. My answer is 5 students still need to return their library book. And at this point, as adults, we're going to go, oh, do we have to really write those words? Yes, language is important for your students. You want to make sure that they are practicing their language along with their math. So we want to make sure that they're writing those sentences and making a connection. All right, I hope this short little video helped for the first example of using a tape diagram.